Hello friends, now let us study support reaction case 2 simply supported beam with uniformly distributed load. Take this example, this is simply supported beam and it is having load W UDL W per unit length over entire span of L unit length for this simply supported beam. Now, using our usual notifications, we have RA plus RB minus WL equal to 0. Why minus WL? It is downward and it will act, see, this is equivalent UDL. See, we have drawn this figure before solving the problem. This is equivalent UDL and this is equivalent UDL diagram. This is W per unit length. How much length is there? L. So, W into L and it will act midway, that is L by 2 at a distance of L by 2 from RA and RB. Let me write down RA and RB here or point A and B here. So, this is equivalent diagram. This one is original diagram with UDL and this is equivalent diagram with point load. Now, let us solve this. A and B are upward load or reaction. So, RA and RB is positive. Please refer last video for notification or for sign convention of load. Upward sign is positive and downward is negative. So, let us solve this for equation 1. RA plus RB minus WL, because WL is downward. So, we get first reaction RA, first equation RA plus RB minus WL equal to 0 or RA plus RB equal to WL. Let us write down this as equation 1. Now, using summation M about A equal to 0, because we have three conditions for equilibrium: summation Fx equal to 0, summation Fy equal to 0 and summation moment equal to 0. Summation Fx equal to 0, it is nothing to do with this system, because in x direction there is no single force. In y direction, so let us write down here summation Fy equal to 0 using summation Fy equal to 0. We get RA plus RB minus WL equal to 0 or RA plus RB equal to W into L. Now, using second identity or second condition for equilibrium, using summation MA equal to 0, taking moment about A. So, this is our diagram. We are going to use this diagram for moment. See, WL into L by 2, this is positive reaction, and RB minus RB, because it is anti-clockwise reaction, minus RB into L equal to 0, or WL square by 2 equal to RB into L. This RB into L go to this side, L will get cancelled. Therefore, RB is equal to WL by 2. Now, putting this RB is equal to WL by 2 in equation 1, RA plus RB is equal to WL. This is our equation 1. Putting RB is equal to WL by 2, RA plus WL by 2 equal to WL. Therefore, RA will be WL minus WL by 2. Therefore, RA is equal to WL by 2. So, we have found out RA and RB value for simply supported beam with UDL. Now, there might be different cases that this UDL is for a part, or second case UDL with for the part of beam, not for entire length, with point load. So let us now study other cases with UDL. Let us study case 3, simply supported beam with eccentric point load W. What do you mean by eccentric? It is not applied at exactly the center of beam, but it is somewhere between A and B, not at the center. So it is eccentric with a distance small a from point A and small b from point B. So let us now solve this very simple with similar procedure using summation Fy equal to 0 Ra plus Rb minus W, because Ra is vertically upward, so positive, Rb vertically upward positive, W vertically downward, it is negative. Therefore, Ra plus Rb minus W equal to 0 or Ra plus Rb equal to W. This is equation 1. Let us write down equation 1. Now what? Using condition for equilibrium summation Ma equal to 0, that is moment about A equal to 0, taking moment about A. So moment about A, Ra into 0, so it is 0. So let us take W into A, it is clockwise, so positive W into A. Rb into L, so minus, because it is anti-clockwise, minus Rb into L equal to 0. Now we are solving this. Rb into L is equal to Wa, therefore Rb is equal to Wa upon L. So it is simple. Now some critical part is here to find Ra. Putting this Rb is equal to Wa upon L in equation 1, Ra plus Wa upon L equal to W. Therefore, Ra is equal to W minus, this is W minus Wa upon L, or we will rearrange term taking W common into bracket 1 minus A upon L is equal to, what is taking LCM, L is in denominator, L minus A. But what is L minus A? See, this is complete length. Let me write down here. This is complete length. So what is L minus A? It is nothing but this is L minus A. That means L minus A is nothing but B. So here you will get Ra equal to Wb upon L. So this is value of Ra and this is value of Rb. Now you can easily solve problem based on any of these three cases. It is recommended that take at least three example on each case, submit that to my WhatsApp number. So it is hardly recommended you that, because this examples is at least for 4 marks to find out reaction at supports. In next lecture, we will study instead of simply supported beam, we will study different cases for cantilever beam with point load as well as cantilever beam with UDL, that is uniformly distributed load.